Hi everyone, I'm just going to run through the Young Explorers registration and submission process with you today. As we see here, we're just on the Young Explorers website, the youngexplorers.net.au, and we also have the youngexplorers.org.nz website too. So we'll scroll down here to the sign up, click here to register for the year. This will take you to our CompTool portal. So if you have registered an account in previous years, you will need to renew an account. The information isn't stored from year to year. So as you can see, I've already got an account, but we'll register a new one. So you can either click up here for register new, or down here as well, create account and submit contribution. So this will take you through to the portal here, where you got the form. So just fill in your details. As I actually already have an account, I'll just change my You can also include a secondary email here with your email. If you have a Department of Education email or something like that, sometimes it's good to have your personal email, just if your firewall's blocking emails from us too. That has happened with some accounts. I accept the privacy and data. My username, I'll change that one. And then I'll add a password too. And then you just have to confirm the password. And now you can either submit and begin with the submission of a contribution if you already have a project report you want to upload at the moment, or a team you want to create for the moment, or you can just create a user account only and submit contributions later. I'll do this one for now, just so you can see what the screen looks like. Hopefully I've got all the information I need in there. Excellent. This is just, I think, because I already have a very similar account. Now our account's registered, it'll take you through to the main login screen here. So this is where you can see your submissions, upload submissions, or check your user account details. So let's submit our student's contribution. So I click your submissions, and now I will choose the location of where I want to enter. So I'm in Sydney, so I'm going to enter the New South Wales event here. This will take you through to where you can submit your student's contribution. So first of all, I'm going to add my students' names. It auto-fills your name, so just please write over that your first student's name. And I'm going to keep using my email address, not the student's email address. We only have communications with the teachers and or parents who are submitting the student's work, not the students. Add my second student. Now, teams in YICTE can be up to 4 students. They can enter into individually or in teams of up to 4 students. So just remember that while you're working with your teams. Excellent. So now I'm going to put the title of my contribution here, which is Side Scrolling Kitten Chaos. Awesome, excellent. So I'm going to also grab my students' abstract that they've included in the report. So this is my students' report here. So at the time of submitting students' reports, we do understand that they're still working on the project. So this is just as much detail as they can, so we can get an understanding of what the project is. So here you can see I've got my student's name, the title of the project, what year group that they're entering in, their school and their location. So they've included an abstract about what the project is, an introduction to the project, why they wanted to make it. They don't have a video link, that's perfectly okay. A problem statement here, and some design features that they've included for us to look at. What challenges they had building this project, and the conclusion. So this is all where they're up to at the moment. We don't expect the projects to be fully working by the time of submission. They still have plenty of time to keep working on their projects, and they've included what technologies they've used from scratch to build the game, Weebly to build the website, and Trello so they could keep in touch with each other to build it. They've also included a picture here, a screenshot of their game so far, which is awesome. We love to see that. So let's finish our submission, and I'll include the abstract of the student's report. I'll just copy that. Excellent. Put that in there. Awesome. So they're in year 11 to 12, so I'm just going to select that, and I'm going to include some keywords. So they use Scratch, it's a game, they use Weebly, and they got a website. And I'll tick this box so that I confirm that the project was written solely by the students. Then click Proceed. This will take you through to where you can upload the student's file. So there you click here to choose a file to upload. If you haven't got the file yet and you just wanted to create the teams in the system, you can save submission upload files later. But as I have the report, I'll click on this and I'll include it into here. Excellent, just find it. So I'm going to include a zip file because I also have the students' permission forms as well ready to upload, which you don't have to have those yet. You can bring those on the day. Upload file. So once that's finished uploading, it'll take you back to your submissions here, so you can see each submission that you have. So if we go back to just the main login screen here, click on your submissions. You can see the submissions that you already have, or to create a new submission, you just go back and click on New South Wales or wherever you're submitting, and you can submit again. And so you can just keep adding as many projects as you have. So if we go look at the website, just the Young Explorers website, on the information page here for participants, this is where you'll find all of our templates. So we actually have our information pack here, so anything you need to know about Young Explorers is in there. We have our YICTE brochure. We also just have information on the registration process here too for the year, when the reports are due, the judging criteria here, and this is where you'll find the form. So this is the templates for the project submission. We've got senior and junior templates, and the talent release form here too, so that you can fill in. So this is what we need from the parents for each student participating at the events. So that's all you should need to know, but if there's anything else you need, please do reach out at any time. Happy to answer any questions. Thank you very much for joining me.